Yes, most of this series audio it's missing due to a camera malfunction. But still, I cannot let this beauty of a ride go untold. I hope you enjoy. Good morning, Ventures. Once again, my apologies for my audio. But here we are at the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino Hotel. I'm gonna see if I can start making my way to the dam in a few. We are about what 6, 7 miles away. It's I'm pretty sure it's a nice little ride. I got here last night and it was kind of dark, but I can see all the lighting and everything, so it looked pretty cool. Look how beautiful this place is. I think I was here once, few or maybe many years ago, and I don't remember seeing this road. But the weather at this moment is so perfect, and it's not. Well, right now it's not that hot. We'll see what happens once I get over there and start enjoying the view. Once I get back, I'm gonna go and get a little bit of breakfast or something, and maybe rest for a little bit, and then make my way to Reno, Nevada. Look at that, a checkpoint. Well, you know what? I think the entire perimeter of the dam it's patrolled heavily. Yeah, I got with these officers here, and they're just asking me for random questions. He's like, it's okay for you to film, but no drones in the air whatsoever. So I had no intentions of putting the drone up in the air anyways. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, yeah, basically that was it. And definitely new construction because this looks fairly new infrastructure. And I like the how everything's built, um, the architecture of the construction is awesome. Look at that arch right there. Man, it's beautiful. Imagine how many years did it took to build that. That is a this is a big, tall building. Look at that. Nice. You know, by the way, I thought it was gonna be cool, sort of say, but it's hot. It's hot. I can feel it now. Okay, I park on the other side of the dam so I can, on the Arizona side, so I can walk back and show you guys a little bit about this beautiful construction. I'm not for sure, but I think there's like more than 8 generators, and I'm gonna see if I can go inside and walk downstairs where the generators are at. I don't know if that's gonna be feasible, but I'll definitely ask and see if they're letting people in. So according to some literature that I did, I guess Hoover Dam is about 730 something feet tall. I think it's like 1,300 feet long, about, I don't know, between 55 and 60 stories building high. But yeah, I don't remember exactly, but it was something like that. And man, I can tell you this thing holds a lot of water, a lot of water. And I think it actually helps, you know, hundreds of community because of this massive construction. That's pretty awesome. Imagine all the people that work on this dam. I'm pretty sure there's still people alive. Maybe, I don't know. I think it was completed like in 1930. Yep. So whoever worked on it, whoever was a worker here, he's probably right now like what? I'm thinking almost 100 years old. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. It's like the amount of labor that went into it. It was just freaking awesome. Hats off for all those people that will actually work here. But yeah, the lake here, I guess, it's called Lake Mead, Mead. Look how beautiful statues are there. I think they're made of bronze or something like that. It's all fenced in. I think there's some work going on in there. But yeah, it's fenced in, and yeah, guess what? This is where I was gonna go in and walk down and have a little tour, but I guess it's closed. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to go in there and show you guys. But yep, definitely it's hot now, and there's a lot of humidity. Look at that. Man, that's beautiful. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see or not, but there's a big transformers in the bottom, vehicles, vans, and they look so tiny. Yep. I like it. I like the fact that it's pretty mellow. There's not a lot of traffic. Maybe because it's very early in the morning, and I can almost say that I have the entire dam for myself. Anyways, well, the journey must continue. Okay, Venture, let's go to Reno. Destination is gonna be, I'm gonna see if I can get through the center of the Vegas Strip, and then continue on towards Pahrump, Reno, and then from there make my way to like Salt Lake City or something like that. Look at that arch. Look how beautiful that thing is. And you know what? My motorcycle is riding nice and smooth. This thing, the only thing that needs is fuel, and it's a pretty comfortable ride. By the way, yeah, I look a little bit chubby from the waist, but I think I'm gonna lose a little bit of weight because I've been eating only one meal and then water so far for the last, what, I'm gonna say 20 hours or so. So if I keep doing this, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose at least 10 pounds. Okay, Ventures, we are in Las Vegas, Nevada already. We are in the main strip. hot, super hot now, and trying to drive to speed limit. Basically, it's like it's only me and the road, um, and pretty smooth ride. The road, the highway, it's well maintained. Um, I pass few rest areas, and it's beautiful. Um, yeah, you know how clean everything is, and of course, it's hot, and it's gonna start raining on me, or at least intermittent rain. I guess it's gonna be okay once I start getting wet and then the hot air and all that. I'm gonna start cooling down, but that's okay. It's pretty cool.
Well Ventures. Here we are again, headed to Reno. It's freaking hot. One of the things though is fuel on this state is cheap, so that's good. I got about 200 miles, 250 miles I think, before I get to that destination. I'll keep you guys on the road. It's hot. Here we are, adventures again. Me and my luck. I guess,
And it's raining hard, so I'm gonna have to gear up. Otherwise, I'm gonna get all wet again. But I'm gonna gear up, and then I'm gonna ride like that. You know, it's what it is.
this is what I live for. All right, the ride must go on.
And this bike, the only thing that needs it's fuel. I passed the town earlier. I saw probably, I don't know, more than 200 donkeys or mules on this little town. I don't remember the name of the town, but it was kind of unique. They were all over the next to the highway in the pastures. It was weird. It was pretty cool though.